Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful and elegant pearl necklace set at home. It's simple and easy to make. Everyone can make this classy and gorgeous pearl necklace set easily. So please follow the steps carefully. For that we need some 3 different size pearl beads and approximately 170 cm sewing thread. Here I use normal sewing thread that you understand the tutorial clearly, but you can use nylon thread to make the necklace more durable. So I hope you love my idea. If you have any queries, then please comment me below and don't forget to hit the like button because it's really motivates me a lot. Also request you to subscribe this channel with bell icon that you never miss any updates. Now stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you understand the tutorial well. See you in next tutorial. Till then, take care and bye bye.